Good morning, my dear. I hope that you will be fine at your respective place and uh, yourself taking care of your health, taking the care of your family also. As we are aware that I will not talk much more about what is this COVID-19, what is this coronavirus, because by this time all of you are aware about this thing. But only just one thing I want to tell you that many times the youngsters like you feel that what happens if I will go to my friend and he is not having symptoms. But as the news says that many a time the symptoms are not observed, and then also anyone can be corona positive. And if you are meeting such person for the 10 minutes, your efforts for remaining home at for the most of the time get waste, and you are bringing the virus to your home. Please see that whenever we are moving in community, many times we are taking care, we are maintaining social distancing, we are sanitizing, and we are doing so many things. But particularly when we come to our family, it is very difficult to maintain the social distancing within the family, within the house. So there are always chances that it spread very fast, and we have seen that once anyone get infected with a positive, all the family members are probable chances that they are getting infected. So we have to take lot of care, particularly when we are dealing with our family. So my personal request is that don't go out even for a 5 minute and take care of your family in such a way. Dear friends, we have all my faculty member has prepared lot of videos unit wise, lot of material they have prepared the PDF, PPTs, etc., and we have shared with you. And also we have organized the test for this purpose. Our basic objective is that even though we are in the lockdown, our regular teaching learning process should not be affected. So my personal request is that please take the advantage of all this course material. If you are having any difficulty, don't hesitate to call any of the teacher. They are always there to help you. If you are not understanding any concept, you can call them on the WhatsApp. You can discuss with them. You put your specific difficulty. I am 100% confident that all my staff members will help you in that respect. Also, I request you to appear for the test very seriously, so that you can judge yourself that what is the way you are preparing yourself, and how much marks you are getting will decide that your readiness for the exam. Another aspect is that try to complete your submission as possible as. I know that there are some challenges. Many of you may not have the we can say writing material, like notebook, etc. Even though you can write in a notebook, that is also acceptable as a special case for this year. But even though that is not available, once the lockdown ends, that is on the 3rd, there are likely chances that you can get this material at your respective place. If college is starting, resuming regular duty of teaching learning, it's okay. Otherwise, if again there is a further delay, then you can utilize that time for preparing your write-ups and etc. for the forthcoming exam. Those who are having project, particularly the final year, is my personal request to all of you that please complete the maximum work like design, etc., what is possible by staying at your home. I know that for fabrication it is not possible to complete during this lockdown period, so we have to wait for a few more days for that purpose. But whatever the write-up which is possible, whatever the design you have to make, please complete, and complete the write-up for that, so that once you resume our duty, then you will not wasting that time in completing that particular task. Also for third year students, we will be starting the trial seminar probably in the after completion of our test series. So prepare your PPTs, and then through any apps like Zoom, or maybe any other video conferencing apps like Google Hangout or Google Meet, it is possible that we can complete the presentation, and we can assess your preparation for all these things. So please keep your presentation ready, so that we can appoint the internal examiner and we can carry out your presentation once all our test period is over. I will put the schedule. Now most important issue for you is the examination. So as we are aware that examination, uh, so far government is working on that, UGC is working, then government of Maharashtra, all university vice chancellors are working, SPP authorities are working. Nothing has been finalized because that depends upon the situation on a particular day. So once the lockdown is not totally lifted, it is very difficult to talk in what way the exam is conducted. There are very fake news. Some news says that examinations are conducted, maybe the objective type, multi-choice, something like this. But let me make you very clear that as on today, there is nothing policy has been decided what way the exam will be conducted, what way you will be promoted to the next class, what way the practical exam will be conducted. So we have to wait for the authentic information from the authority. Till that time, our duty as a student is just to prepare yourself regularly, and whatever may be the way the examination is conducted, we should be ready from our side. So that is my personal request, that rather than wasting our time in discussion on all these fake news, better to prepare. Once authentic news will be there, will be the first person to communicate and inform you of our management, particularly Honorable Amit Dada, Nitin Dada, and our director is continuous. They are continuously guiding us to prepare so many learning material and to be in touch with you. Also, every problem creates a lot of opportunities for you. So even the coronavirus and the COVID-19 has created lot of innovative opportunities for all of you. So for example, you can prepare the low cost ventilator which is in need of time. You can think of some innovative masks. You can think of some isolation chambers, like so many things are there. So please work out on these innovative things which is having a huge demand, because as on today there is no any vaccine on the coronavirus. So we have to indirectly take the care of our society and the people. So all these innovative things will help you in solving this problem. So my personal request to all of you that please participate whatever may be the facilities and other resources possible from the society side. I will try to help you out, but see that your idea should be fruitful and it should be low cost and should be it should add the value addition to the certain thing. आता मी थोडं पालकांशी संवाद मला साधायचा आहे. मला माहीत आहे की तुम्ही परीक्षाबद्दल किंवा याच्याबद्दल फार तुम्हाला शंका असतील आणि तुमचे खूप प्रश्न असतील, पण तुमच्या माहितीसाठी सांगतो की अजून सरकारकडून जेव्हापर्यंत लॉकडाऊन पिरियड पूर्ण संपत नाही आपल्याला काहीही माहिती देण्यात आलेली नाही. आणि त्याच्यामुळे आजच्या दिवशी आपल्याजवळ एकच काम आहे की आपण फक्त मुलांना त्यांनी अभ्यास केला पाहिजे इतकंच लक्ष द्यायचं हे आपल्या हातात आहे. माझी तुम्हाला रिक्वेस्ट आहे की त्यांनी जे काही व्हिडिओज किंवा जे काही कोर्स मटेरियल आहे त्यांनी कमीत कमी दिवसातून 2-3 तास तरी अभ्यास केला पाहिजे. आम्ही टेस्ट ऑर्गनाईज केलेले आहे. रोज एक टेस्ट असते एका विषयाची, ती टेस्ट त्यांनी सिरियसली दिली पाहिजे. आणि जेव्हा कधी परीक्षेबद्दल किंवा बाकी ज्या काही गोष्टी क्लिअर होतील अथॉरिटीजकडून, विद्यापीठाकडून, तेव्हा नक्की तुम्हाला आम्ही कम्युनिकेट करू आणि त्या पद्धतीनं आपल्याला ह्या कोरोना व्हायरसच्या प्रॉब्लेमच्या बाहेर जायचं आहे. मला कल्पना आहे की हा फार कठीण काळ आहे, पण आपण सर्व मिळून याच्यावर मात करू आणि एक दिवस असा येईल की आपण प्रत्यक्ष भेटू आणि परत आपण ज्या पद्धतीनं कोरोना व्हायरसच्या अगोदर आपलं जीवन जगत होतो तसंच परत आपण जीवन जगणार. तुम्ही मला कॉन्टॅक्ट करू शकता. तुम्हाला जर काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तुम्ही कोणत्याही टीचरलासुद्धा कॉन्टॅक्ट करा तुम्हाला काही डिफिकल्टी वाटत असेल. आणि जर मला कॉन्टॅक्ट करायचं असेल तर माझा नंबर लिहून घ्या 9423466888 आणि हा खाली दिलेला आहे, हा माझा मेल आय डी आहे. ह्या मेल आय डीवर सुद्धा तुम्ही तुमचे काही इश्यूज असतील किंवा प्रॉब्लेम असतील तर टाकू शकता. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना परत माझ्याकडून शुभेच्छा आणि धन्यवाद.